Everybody thinks van life is all sunsets, mountain views, and perfect Instagram breakfast. And sometimes it is. But let me tell you about the other side. After days of boondocking, things, well, they've gotten a little smelly. The van smells, the toilet needs to be dumped, our water pump, well, that's on life support right now. So we've hit that moment where you're not looking for adventure. You're just desperately seeking out a campsite. Something with like tons of amenities. Hookups, hot showers, laundry, someplace to dump our toilet. So whether you're dreaming of going full-time or just want to be weekend warriors, we're here to show you what it actually looks like to live in this size of a space. So buckle up because we're diving into the real pros and cons of van life, starting with a con. As we've been driving, I started to notice a smell. And I started looking around, I'm like, are we like passing a farm? Sometimes there's like a water smell out in the air, right? Like a rotten water smell or anything like that. But then I realized, no, it's us. It's what's in our van. We've been boondocking. Guys, our toilet stinks. But the pro is that at least we have a toilet. I'm super stoked. Okay, we love KLAs. Let us know. Do you guys love KLAs? We love them. We've never had a bad experience at a KLA.
Okay, you are over here, and you're heading over to site 100 right over here.
Cool.
Up Aztec and straight into 100. Bathroom showers here and here. And then you are entitled to our dump station now that, since you're staying. So that is for free for you to use. Okay. You can use whatever. Yep. If you want to do it now,
we do.
Yeah.
We've been boondocking in our van. And I was like, we need the dump station.
Well, welcome in. We have bathroom showers, laundry as well. So
we can't wait.
If you use it, just go ahead.
Perfect. Awesome. Thank you. Okay, fun fact about me, and I actually have been called out for this. Only once, but still. I am addicted to gift shops. And I'm addicted to buying t-shirts everywhere we go. I've got to stop. I mean, I just bought this one in Sydney a couple weeks ago. Somebody help me. No more t-shirts. Tell me no more t-shirts.
No more t-shirts.
No more t-shirts. Okay, gotta put this on. Let's go find our awesome camping spot.
One thing that's nice about being small, you can maneuver in some of these parking lots.
Oh.
We're going to
dumping it all.
We're dumping it all. We dumped the black tank first. Well, not the black tank. Cassette toilet. That 1,000% is what stinks.
Oh, it stinks so bad. Look at that.
It's all the water pressure we get.
Could you imagine having to take a shower in that?
I mean, it's warm.
Pro, you wash your hands in your own van.
Con, our water pump sucks. That's just our van, though. Mr. Lemon never fails us. Always gives me a project.
No, he always fails us.
Well, never fails to give me a project, which means he has failed. Let's go find our spot.
We're spot what?
Hundy.
100?
100.
Wow, we got lucky. She said it was a good spot. Oh, look. You ever want to come here? They have a little dog park.
I don't think that it would be in their best interest to say that. Oh, man, I can't believe we gave you that terrible one. But it's nice and easy to get into, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Be better. Okay.
Okay.
Let's check and see how we are for level.
What the heck?
Okay, let's actually try going forward a little bit. No.
No, let's go backwards.
9 inches? No, that's not good.
Guys, that didn't work. We just realized the table is on the other side and the view is on the other side. So we want our door to open to the view. Van life problems? Are you dancing?
No, I'm... Yes, maybe I am dancing. No, I am mentally trying to navigate through the tiny little streets here. The tiny streets of the KOA. Now you see?
I've never seen that view before. That's cool.
One eternity later.
Guys, he's still working on it. I don't know if you can just see him, but he goes, am I gonna hit the tree? I think I wasn't doing my job. Look, he's not gonna hit the tree. What do we got here, Mr. Bob?
So,
Did you make it better? Oh, you did.
am I sticking out into the road? That's the only
Oh, let me check. I think that's great. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? You're great.
Okay.
Good job.
All right.
Done and done. What were you just saying?
I said, please, 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 please.
And it reached. Van Life Con. You have to set up. So if you were to like go to a hotel, there's no setting up, right? But the Pro, you have your house, you have your stuff, you have everything with you. So way more of a pro than a con, but it does take us about 30 minutes to set up. And it's really windy. This is what YouTuber life looks like. We have to plug in all our electronics, but I think we're pretty set up.
Yeah. Oven, chairs, rug, electronics plugged in, windows are all open, power's plugged in. We didn't plug in the water.
Oh, we need to.
We may plug in. We didn't connect the water. We may do that. So, but we are all situated now.
Van Life Con number 3. To get to our fridge, we sit in our bathroom. Yeah.
Well, you sit on the bathroom floor.
Yeah, we sit on the bathroom floor. But that's okay. At least we have a fridge. Pro. We have a fridge. So, let's see. I think, Bob, for an appetizer,
Oh yeah.
we have some mango pineapple pico de gallo salsa and goat cheese and crackers. So, goat cheese, salsa, and crackers for an appetizer.
With an
Caesar
app.
salad, chicken pot pie, and a nap. Let's go. Pro. We have the freedom to go almost anywhere and last minute. And a lot of times we change our plans depending on the weather. So Flagstaff is nicer or cooler than where we were at the Grand Canyon. So that's why we came down to Flagstaff. You know, we get to see places we'd otherwise never go. Yeah, so anything on that?
No, but your appetizer's here.
Stop it. Let's go. Is it good?
Oh, it's amazing. I was a little hangry. Sorry.
It happens. That would be realities of van life. You're in such a small space together, you can't escape each other, so maybe we'll say that's a con. You know, we've been in this small space together for a while, and we can't always escape each other, and so we do get hangry because when we got here, we had to set up, and just the realities of van life, so I don't know, but it's worth it.
This one's for you.
No way, you made me one?
I did.
Aww.
One bite, I'm already better.
Oh my gosh, so good.
Mademoiselle, would you like some fresh ground pepper on your salad?
Oh my goodness gracious. It didn't even wait for my answer.
You got it anyway. Do you think we need to keep cooking it?
I think it looks perfect. You?
I would agree. Should probably let the door open.
I'll let it cool down.
It's actually quite tasty. And I like this little flaky crust that's on the top.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
What would you give it?
I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper on it. I think it'll give it, with salt and pepper, 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Okay, total fail. We don't know where the showers are. We found the bathrooms, and then we realized we don't have the code for the bathroom. So, yeah, total fail on our part. Okay, let's try this again.
Try it again.
I don't know if Bob's done yet or not, and he has the van keys. But I'm gonna walk over to the van and wait for him because I'm done with my shower. I just got done. Did you dry your shoes off with the dryer so that they don't? I dried my shoes off, those shoes, with the hand dryer.
No, did not do that.
Because now they won't get dirty or muddy.
I'm gonna walk very carefully.
We're clearly in bed. 9 p.m. bedtime. We out.
Yep. Sun's down.
Yeah.
Time to go to sleep.
Time to go to sleep. We'll see you guys in the morning.
Here's a con for you. Things are gonna break. You are driving your house down the road and it feels like an earthquake inside sometimes. And so things will break. And in our last couple of videos, we have been struggling with our water pump. Not exactly sure what the problem is. So today I'm gonna run a test. I'm gonna connect to the city water here, tie it into the van, and see if the city water pressure is normal. And if it is, then I know I don't have some kind of obstruction or something else going on with the van, and then I have to change the water pump. Got all these fun little parts that I never use. Well, I shouldn't say never, but you don't need these with your boondocking all the time.
So I'll show you guys what it's like.
I turned the water pump off.
Oh, so
here, you can turn the water pump on.
Here's a little test for you.
Okay, water pump's on.
Okay. So that is our stream, which honestly, that is normally the kind of stream you want to use to not use all your water. But you cannot shower with a stream like that. Like, here. Here is our shower head, which actually sucks anyways, but whatever. Let's see. Like,
you're not gonna shower with that.
Like, literally, you literally could not wash. I mean, maybe rinse off, but that's not very good.
So I'm hoping. No, I'm gonna have to do it this way. Okay, here we go. All right, let's check the other side.
You did it.
I got it. Okay. Wish me luck.
All right.
Oh.
What's the problem?
It's spraying everywhere. This hose needs to come out.
What did you do?
Well, I was trying to be smart and put this little flex hose in here so that I didn't like kink this hose.
Yeah.
But that obviously created another problem. I didn't want to make a mess. I didn't want to get wet. I didn't want to get wet.
Oh no.
There's chair. Try that again.
All this while our bacon's cooking.
My hose is kind of all kinked up, so hopefully it...
Uh-oh. It didn't work.
What?
So what does that mean?
That's not good.
That means something's caught in it, huh?
Yeah.
That means our pump's not going out?
What does that mean?
Oh no. Maybe they can help you.
What? That's even worse.
What?
All right. Mr. Lemon strikes again. I guess this means we're digging into our water system.
Something's going on?
Sad. Yeah, the water pump is off and we're using just the city pressure, which is far greater than what this is, than this. I think it's done. Bacon's done. All right, water adventures are gonna have to go on hold for a minute. Wait.
Wait, did you not have it all the way up? Was that you?
Wait. No.
Okay.
Hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold.
No, doesn't matter.
Nothing.
Nothing.
All right, we're gonna test the water pressure of the toilet. It's supposed to come in and shoot all the way around. And it comes to about right there. That's terrible.
Anybody can anybody help us? Can you help us discern what's going on with our water pump? Why the pressure's so low? Do you think we have to... I mean, that means we don't have a bad water pump, right?
I can only guess that. So sad. I don't know what the problem is, which either means it's something simple like maybe there's a separate filter that's plugged and that's what's preventing the pressure. I know we have like a big giant filter on the system. Maybe that's plugged. I don't really know. But either way, it's going to be hard to troubleshoot to figure out what the problem is. I just don't. So I literally have to take the beds apart to get to the water tank to then see the entire water system and go through it piece by piece. So that's the part I'm not looking forward to.
Time for breakfast. And I think this is where we're going to leave you guys.
So if you guys are interested in seeing how we solve our water problem, stay tuned.
Yeah. Subscribe. Coming soon. Vanlife 101 problems. Not really, but so subscribe. It's coming soon. We do have to fix that water pump. Otherwise, boondocking is going to be very tough because the shower system is the worst part about it. We will see you in the van next week. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.